Hello, I'm Damien Gilliams, and this is my video for the Phoenix Unlimited 3D printed prosthesis. Let me show off some of the strength and durability. Check all the fingers. And how you can tighten and loosen the tensioner screws here. I attempted to get a good 30-degree angle here on the wrist. And how about a quick test? I wanted to contribute in some way, and I thought it'd be kind of fun to add some fingernails. In order to print this hand, I used the Prusament MK2S 3D printer with the multi-material upgrade, so that way I could 3D print the fingers in one piece with the fingernails. I think it came out pretty great. I didn't really have any major problems while 3D printing this. The biggest issue that I had to do with the software I was using for my time lapse, and it kept moving my XY axis out of the way, and I would have issues kind of like this. So I simply turned off the time lapse software. One piece of advice that I would give is that when you're 3D printing all of these pieces, that the pins that hold everything together, it doesn't hurt to print 2 sets of these at the same time, because it's a pretty quick print, and I had a couple of them that popped off the print bed because they were so small, but by having 2 sets of them, I had plenty left over. If you've got a 3D printer at home, don't let it sit idle. Contribute, enable the future, build a hand, give a hand. Why not? It's a lot of fun, and you get to help somebody in need. Thank you. Bye.